Good morning, everyone. As I mentioned to you, we're going to begin reading this article about stereotypes that you each have, and you also have a vocabulary list of 10 words in front of you. Now, those words, some of which are probably a little unfamiliar, are in the article. And in order to understand the article, it's important that we understand some of those words, hopefully all of them. And we're going to fix that today, and hopefully we're going to have a little fun with it, all right? First of all, each of you has your vocabulary list, and you also have an index card in front of you. On one side, the index card is plain. The other side, it's lined. On the plain side, you'll notice that there's a number in the upper corner, okay? There is one other person in the room that has that same number. So when I say go, if you would, quietly please, stand up, hold up your card, and find the other person in the room that has your number. Ready, set, go. All right, very good. So you found the person that has the number. You're seated beside them, and what you're going to do first of all is on the plain side of the card, you are going to write the vocabulary word for the number that you and your partner have. In this case, mine is number 2, which is aptitude. So on the plain side, using the Sharpie that you have, write, you and your partner, your word on the plain side. I'll give you 30 seconds to do that, beginning now. All right, very good. Now that you've written the word on the plain side, does everyone have that? Great. On the lined side, I want you to write what you believe, what the definition is. But we're not going to do that right away. The first thing I want you to do is talk about it with your partner. I'm going to give you 1 minute to do that. And what I want you to do is to discuss what you think the meaning of your word might be. What you think it might be. And remember, we're reading an article about stereotypes, so consider that as well. So I'll give you 60 seconds to do that, and then we'll come back. Ready? Go. All right, so you came up with what you think the meaning is of your word, correct? Next step, very simple. What do you think we're going to do? That's right, we're going to find out what it really means. So you've got your dictionaries on each of your desks. So what I'd like you to do is you and your partner look that up together, and when you find the definition that you think is most appropriate for this article that we're reading, because some of these definitions, everyone, might have more than one meaning, right? We've discovered that before. So when you find the meaning you think is most appropriate, I want you and your partner to write that down. Now with this step, I'm going to give you 2 minutes, okay? We're clear on that? All right, begin now. All right, now we're back. We've written our definition down on the lined part, the lined side, rather, of the card, which I've done on mine. Aptitude on this side, my definition here, a natural ability to do something. So you each have that. Next, we're going to have a little fun. Play a little game. It's called Quiz, Quiz, Trade. And what you're going to do, the first step, we're going to take it one step at a time. I want you to do our stand up, hand up, pair up, first of all, and keep your card with you. So let's go. Remember, no drive-bys, and get with someone that you have not gotten with recently, okay? Especially not your partner today. Go. All right, now you've got a partner. What you're going to do is one partner, let's make it the person closest to the door, is going to hold up their word, okay? And the other person, your partner, is going to try to get the definition of that word. And you may not have any idea, you may have a good idea. It's okay, because guess what? The person asking the question will be able to coach a little bit, because you're looking right at the definition on the back side of the card, aren't you? Okay, so that's the first thing we're going to do. And then once, I'm going to give you 30 seconds per round, and when I say time, then you will show the definition to your partner. Okay, let's do round one now. Everyone clear on that? Okay, very good. Ready, begin. All right, now that we've completed that first round, the other partner is going to go. So we're going to change roles. Remember, the second partner is now showing the word, and the other partner is trying to guess it. And then when I say time, then at that point, I want you to show your partner the definition. Ready? Go. All right. Very good. So maybe some of you got the definitions, maybe some of you didn't, but at least we are starting to learn them, right? So now trade cards with your partner. Okay, so we've done the quiz, and now we're going to do we're doing the trade. Now we're going to move around the room. We're going to do several rounds of this. So now let's do one more round. You've got a different card now, and you're going to get a different partner. And one more time with the hand up, because you're already standing up, and pair up. Go.